Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate typography pairing in Canva step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. Select the type of design you want to create. Once you're in the design interface, look at the left sidebar. Click on the text option in the sidebar to view text elements. Choose a text box style that you prefer for your design. Drag and drop the text box onto your canvas. Click inside the text box to edit the text. Type in the content you want to display. With the text box selected, look at the top toolbar. Click on the font dropdown to see a list of available fonts. Scroll through the font list or type the name of the font you wish to use. Select the first font you want for your primary text. Now, create another text box for the secondary font. Again, click inside the new text box to enter your content. With this text box selected, return to the font dropdown. Choose a different font that complements your primary selection. To adjust the size, use the size tool in the top toolbar. Experiment with font sizes to ensure proper hierarchy between the texts. You can also adjust the color of each text box using the color tool. Select a color that enhances your design and maintains readability. Once you've set your typography, review the overall layout. Make any necessary adjustments to spacing and alignment. Feel free to duplicate existing text boxes for consistency. With your typography paired and styled, you can now continue designing. Remember to save your progress regularly to avoid any loss of work. When you're satisfied with the design, proceed to download or share your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.